Today, we will learn how we can generate a QR code for any business. We can use business website, contact details, or Google profile for generating business QR code. First, we will generate business website QR code. To generate business website QR, the following website qrgenerator.org. Then choose the correct type, which is link. We need the web address of our business. Simply copy it and paste in the following field. Now the QR code has been generated automatically. You can customize it if you want to match with your branding. Now click Save and download in your desired format. We will download in PNG. Now we can also generate contact details QR code using our business contact details. To generate it, choose vCard type, then fill out the business contact details here. Now QR code is ready, click Save and download in your desired format. Finally, we will generate a QR code for our Google business profile. To generate it, you need to search for your business name. Here is our Google profile page. Click on Share, then click Copy. Go back and paste it in the link field. The QR code has been generated. Now you can save and download it. Now it's time to test it. Using a scanner, we scanned the QR and you can see it showed business profile. We generated 3 static QR codes in this video. You can also generate dynamic QR codes by clicking this button. Dynamic QR codes are editable even after print, and you can also track scans later. So if you require any change, you can change the link later without need to reprint or any QR. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe.